We will start by making the spice mix. In a blender, add 3 to 4 shallots, half inch of galangal sliced, 1 stalk of lemongrass thinly sliced, otherwise it won't blend properly, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 to 2 fresh red chilies. Now blend everything together and keep it aside. Now in a food processor, add 200 grams of salmon or any other fish or even prawns. Just make sure that the fish is dry. Now mince to form a paste-like consistency. Take it out in a bowl and add the blended spices. Finely chop kaffir lime leaves, salt to taste. Mix until well combined. I have cut the lemongrass stalks into halves. That will make it easier to wrap the fish. Place 1 to 2 tablespoons of fish mix and take lemongrass and wrap gently with your hand. Repeat and prepare all the satay sticks. In a pan, add around 1 teaspoon of oil. Before placing the satay sticks, make sure the pan is really hot. Let them cook for 1 to 2 minutes and then gently flip them over and cook on all sides. Once done, take them out in a plate and repeat with the other satays. If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.